Hey, it's 2026. Happy New Year to everyone. Uh, Hopefully, going to get into the cadence of posting a business update every day for my own accountability as well as to clarify my thoughts. So, let me just bring you up to speed and give you some context. So, one of my big realizations last year was that I needed to really start picking up my personal income in addition to getting ChartBoss rolling. So as an entrepreneur, especially in a bootstrap setup, it's really hard to take money out of the company, or rather sizable enough sums that would make a meaningful difference, right? You can always take enough money to kind of run the house, but you can't take enough out to build a financial foundation for yourself. So the only way to kind of supplement a modest salary from your own venture is to kind of maybe offer a productized service on the side, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So there's going to be two things that I work on in 2026. One of them is ChartBoss, which is the business where we're going to make some big, bold bets. And the other one is called Lean BI Systems, where I basically help companies, BI teams within companies, implement Lean BI in a sense, right? Where we use wireframes as kind of a watering hole where you can kind of bring BI teams, data engineering teams, business stakeholders together, clarify requirements, refine them further, get buy-in, get alignment, and then start developing. Because right now, BI and data is riddled with tons of waste and inefficiency. I had given a talk at this Fifth Elephant conference. It's an AI and data conference, and on this exact topic, and it was really well received, and people kind of appreciated the intent as well as the execution. So I've got the signal that it's something where there's like a genuine need, and I'm looking forward to taking that ahead. Again, I'm going to kind of break my old instincts, and I formalized the offer. I've kind of got a sense of what the sell is, and I'm going to start selling it while I proactively kind of build out the entire system of prompts and the AI tooling around that. On the ChartBoss side, again, very clear that there are two big bets, right, we're making this year. One is business reporting really hasn't been reimagined for an AI first world. Like when you think about everything, like any of the traditional tools that are used for business reporting, AI has just been a slap-on kind of thing, right? Like the way you would create a chart or a dashboard in an AI first way, in a conversational way, is very different from how it currently happens. And the ChatGPT App Store opening up is going to be, I really believe, one of those iOS moments for AI. So we are going to be ready for that wave, and we are reimagining data visualization for an AI first world, for a conversational world. And the other big bet is that it's better to operate at the emotional layer rather than at the functional layer. And what I mean by that is the functional layer is where you create charts, for example, right? You create a chart, you make it faster, you make it better, whatever. I mean, that's a finite space. But I feel like where emotions come in, that's where you have infinite room to play, right? Which is this safe to send? Is this good enough? Will I look bad in front of the audience? That moment of anxiety, where you convert that anxiety into confidence with a few targeted remedies and fixes, that's where we want to play, right? So in a sense, you can create your charts anywhere using ChartBoss or any of the other tools out there in the world, or presentations or slides or dashboards or whatever it is. But then we'd like you to kind of traverse through ChartBoss before you actually present this to an audience. And ideally it would be a high stakes situation. Most of the business reporting that happens it's more like, just done as a matter of routine, and nobody really cares about how it looks or how it's perceived. But there is certain high stakes stuff where it actually matters, right? You need to get a seasoned pros kind of review before sending it out, an experienced set of eyes, and that's where we come in. So ChartBoss, again, two very clear bets. One is the AI first thing, and one is the confidence layer rather than being just a creation layer. And the second one is now forking a separate personal income stream where I explore lean BI systems, right? I mean, it's an area I have loved with all my heart from day one, which is I feel analytics and BI, there's monumental waste, a lot of it unjustified and like criminal, and that's something I want to do something about. So yeah, ideally the Lean BI Systems website goes live tomorrow. I do my first outreach tomorrow, and in 2 weeks the first set of concepts from ChartBoss that aligns with these two themes I mentioned, those are going to go live. So I'll give more day-to-day updates about that, but yeah, this is the update for day one.